Ladies and gentlemen, if you're facing the problem where your Fortnite update is stuck, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't, you might need to go ahead and restart your router. Then you want to simply go ahead and right click and click on network and internet settings and click on Ethernet. This is where you want to simply scroll down to DNS server assignment and click on edit. It's going to look something like that on your screen. You want to simply turn that to manual, turn on IPv4, and make sure that your preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS is 8.8.4. So that should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, you might want to go ahead and open your command prompt and write netsh space winsock space reset and simply go ahead and click on enter. This will go ahead and clear your Winsock catalog, which is going to fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling your Fortnite one more time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.